Well, the policing conversation continues in Youngstown. Officers and community leaders gather for a one-day retreat to talk about how to build trust and reduce crime. The mayor and chief of police tell me that in the near future, it will no longer be only police handling crime. Discussions continue on lack of trust in law enforcement and how the city plans to implement better community policing.
People don't trust police. But that comes from a national narrative, and we want to make sure that our local narrative is that you can trust, Youngstown police.
One way to instill trust, Police Chief Carl Davis points to focus on mental health when handling crime.
That's become quite a problem here in the city.
Mayor Tito Brown tells me as of today, there will be a new role in the police department.
One of the things that came out today, Madison, is when we had our mental health professionals here, that they're going to assign someone to the Youngstown Police Department.
By assigning a mental health professional, he says this will add a new layer to their foundation.
Police can't be everything to everyone. It's not about defunding the police. We're making sure that those that have funding for mental health, those that have fund for social service.
I asked the mayor what specifically he's doing to reduce violence in the city, and he tells me policing will look a lot different this spring.
We're going to have our officers out of their cars. You'll see even more when you drive down the corridors that the officers are not tucked away in the corridors.
But there's still work to be done. Chief Davis says body cameras are one policy he's seen some resistance within his rankings of the department, but feels they're necessary and says they expect to purchase them this summer. The police department also tells me it's been since last year that they've had community policing scenario trainings, which is something they're bringing back also this spring.